In food waste environments, hygiene isn't optional, it's critical. Organic dust, powders, and waste residues can threaten air quality, create contamination risks, and cause dangerous fire or explosion hazards. That's why your facility needs a dust collection and superior ducting solution built for the toughest hygiene demands. I'm Steve, and I'm happy to announce that Nordfab Australia is launching HygiDuct, a fully laser-welded ducting system engineered specifically for the challenges of food waste handling. Nordfab HygiDuct is purpose-built for environments where cleanliness, durability, and compliance matter most. HygiDuct's ultra-smooth, crevice-free interior prevents dust buildup, reduces microbial growth, and eliminates hidden contamination points. Its leak-tight, high-vacuum, food-grade clamp system ensures airtight performance, helping you maintain cleaner air, safer workplaces, and regulatory peace of mind. With diameters ranging from 76 to 400 mm and robust 304 or 316 stainless steel construction, HygiDuct is modular, scalable, and ready for any plant layout or expansion. Nordfab HygiDuct is setting a new benchmark for hygienic, compliant, and reliable ducting in food waste environments. Experience the difference for yourself. Let Nordfab Australia help you with your next process ventilation project. Contact us today for more information.